how to fix Netflix black screen with sound issues on Android. So if you want to fix your Netflix black screen with sound issues on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go and tap and hold on to that application, and you'll have app info. Tap on app info. Once you're on your app info of your Netflix, the next thing you need to do is go with battery, and under battery section, if you have selected battery saver, then you just need to simply go with no restrictions. Tap on no restrictions, and this might fix your problem. Or the second solution is you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to search for Netflix, and if you have any updates on your Netflix, then you just need to simply go and update the application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. So after updating, you need to go and just restart your device, and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.